Welcome to Mercury Cash. This video will show you how to create an account in Mercury Cash. Enter to our website mercury.cash and click on Start New Account. Enter your name, your email address, and your secret password. Then click on Accept the Terms and Conditions. And finally, click on Sign Up. An email will be sent to you to confirm your email. Open your inbox. Open the email. Click on Go to Mercury Cash and you will be taken to your account. Take into consideration that you will not be able to carry out any transaction until you fill the necessary fields and upload the required documents to raise your account to Tier 1. That's all for this video. If you like it, give us a like, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can find the links in the description of this video. Stay tuned so you can receive our latest news and articles from our blog. See you next time!